I love Bratislava. Today was a rainy day and we visited the Danube Castle on the outskirts of the city. It's evening now. We are in the city of Bratislava, Slovakia. We are going to explore the city again and find a restaurant to eat. And of course have a night walk in Bratislava. Then we will return to the hotel. Stay with me. Let's see what the mood of the city is like. Also, that's Bratislava Castle. This is Rio Cafe Bar. Rio, yeah. Rio. It is hard to read. Alright, there is an Iranian restaurant here. Beautiful. It is Nowruz, the Iranian New Year. That's great. Guinness, the black beer. It's so foaming. Look at the colors of these two types of beer. Cheers. Wait, I'll tell you what it tastes like. Contrary to my expectation, this is very light, without the taste of barley. It's like it's mixed with water. Oh no, I didn't know the secret. You have to shake this first, then you will get the real taste. Our meal is ready. My dish is saffron rice vegetables with fish and cello kebab for my friend. Here you go. Delicious Iranian food. It's really delicious. We paid 40 euros. Excellent. Let's go for a night walk in Bratislava. Slovenska Kerma. This street leads to Bratislava Castle. Diello Art Galleria. There is a hostel right here near the castle. And a night view of Bratislava Castle. Leave a comment and tell me whether it was better when the Czech Republic and Slovakia were one country or now, and why. Wow. Here is another hotel. I love Bratislava. Passage Old City. Pizza solo. Bratislava Castle and Danube River at night. Alright guys, it was a good evening. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget like and subscribe. Thank you. I'm back at the hotel. We are going to rest. Have a good night. See you tomorrow. Good morning. It is 6 a.m. We are going to eat something and head to our next destination.